Hi guys, Chris at Hard Knocks again. We briefly went over the hot rod last week. That's now done and finished. It's left the property. The owner's very, very happy with it. He's now going to go and put it away for the winter until the weather conditions improve, and then he'll get it back out next year. So you'll get to see that. Today we're going to show you the Nissan, or what remains of it. This is a Nissan S14 200SX. The only thing that is Nissan now is the body. It came into us as a built car. Once it's finished, you might recognise it. It was on the cover of Fast Car just before it came to us. It came in for some tube work and rust removal, and it got to the point where the floor pan was so rotten, the owner just said to us, get rid of all the rust, and if you need to chassis it, do that. So as you can see, the entire thing is tube chassis now. It's powered by an LS3. At the moment, we've got a mock-up block in there just to get our engine positioning correct, but we're actually building a 7-litre RHS block, which is based on the LS1. It's going to run either one big Garrett turbo or two slightly smaller precision turbos, so we're aiming for about 1,500 horsepower on this car. Still rear-wheel drive, still manual, still clutch. We're going to run it on Haltech. Obviously, we'll do all of the wiring in-house. We've got our tuner, which will do it. This car has been built from scratch by us, as usual. We've done all of the tube work. The body work on it is not perfect yet, but as you can see, it's got a full GRP front end. The rear quarters are GRP, the bonnet is GRP, and the idea is that the radiator and all the oil cooler and all of the cooling package is in the back. Up front, it will literally just be 2 turbos, charge cooler in the manifold rather than a massive great big intercooler, and then loads of aero. This car is going to compete in time attack. He's moving away from drifting because he's not a fan of it anymore. So the aim is time attack, maybe a few drag events, depending on if he can get the power down through the rear end that's in it. We are retaining the stock Nissan rear subframe. So as you know, they can be a bit weak. So we're going to put a Winter's rear end in it, uprate the drive shafts, get some big wheels on there, probably 18 by 12s in the rear. Yeah, so keep an eye on this one. It's going to start coming together sort of January time when we get the engine back, and then we'll start building it, which of course we'll do a video of. And then yeah, next time you'll get to see, I think the Camaro is the next one to leave. So this is it. This is the Nissan. Keep an eye on it. Hit the like button. Get subscribed, and you'll get to see some cool shit as usual. Thank you.